Welcome to our channel. We're a professional TPE yoga mat manufacturer offering customizable mats in size, texture, and design now. Let's dive into the details. This yoga mat stands out with its unique double-sided color design, featuring the elegant classical phoenix feather pattern on one side and a wave texture on the other. These special textures significantly enhance its anti-slip performance, ensuring your safety during every workout. Additionally, the mat offers excellent rebound characteristics, providing optimal protection for your ankles and joints. It's not only functional but also incredibly easy to maintain. Our product is rigorously tested and certified, meeting standards like EN 71, 7P, formamide-free, formaldehyde-free, and REACH compliance. Here we have also conducted performance tests on the product.
We're going to explore the difference between a normal TPE yoga mat and new shock absorption mat using a golf ball and an egg. Let's start it. Firstly, golf test. As you can see, the golf ball bounces much less on the shock absorbency mat, which is great for protecting joints during practice. Then, start egg tests. Drop the egg from height. As expected, the egg broke. The normal mat just couldn't absorb enough shock. However, another egg remained intact. Alright, now for the extreme challenge. 140 centimeters raw egg free fall. Watch closely as the egg drops, rolls, and remains perfectly intact, showcasing the mat's exceptional shock absorption.